Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter on your Polaris Ranger 900 as well as the 2015 to 2018 Polaris Ranger 1000. This air filter is your line of defense from dirt entering your engine, and if this thing sits in there forever, it can get packed up with dirt and your engine isn't going to breathe very good and lower performance. So you definitely want to stay up on this scheduled maintenance. You can check that schedule in your owner's or service manual. Now the machine we're working on, it's a 2015 Polaris Ranger XP 900, but this process will be the same for all of the Ranger 900s. It's really quick and simple, so let's go ahead and get it done. The first thing we need to do is tip the cargo bed back. So this is the air box. It's just above that left rear wheel, and we have 5 tabs that we need to disconnect. So we'll just flip those up. And then this bottom is just going to swing down. We're not going to completely disconnect anything. We just want to let it swing down far enough that we can remove that air filter. To inspect the air filter, you want to check it for any tears or breaks in the paper. Same thing with the sealing area. You also want to check for any oil spots or oil contamination on the paper. If any of those conditions exist, or if this is just packed with dirt, you definitely want to replace this filter. With ours, you can see this thing isn't crazy dirty. So a good test, if yours looks kind of like this, is to hold this portion up to the light. Look through the clean side, and if you can see a lot of light coming through, then you know this filter isn't that dirty and you can reuse it. But ours is kind of in between. We don't see a ton of light coming through, and that new filter, it's just going to be cheap insurance to make sure we're protecting our engine. So we're going to throw a new filter into our machine. Now this next part you don't have to do, but I'm just going to wipe up this air box real quick. With that wiped out, we'll install the new air filter. Make sure it's fully seated all the way around. Then we'll swing the bottom of the air box up and relatch the 5 fasteners. And just as a final check, we'll make sure that the air box is clamped together correctly. That front, it shouldn't ever come out, but just make sure that nothing popped out up front there and there's no gaps where the air box seals. After that, we'll lower and latch the cargo bed. That's all there is to changing out the air filter on your Polaris Ranger 900. If you need this air filter or any other parts for your machine, OEM or aftermarket, be sure to check out our website and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.